Who is it? Who is it? It's Quinn! Who is it? It's cute Quinn! Is it? It's Quinn in the mirror. He must be a cutie. Who is it? Is it Quinn? Is it Quinn in the mirror? Who is that guy? Is he a cutie in there? It's cute Quinn. Oh, wow, what do you see? What do you see in there? Whoa. That's what it is. It's Quinn. It looks like a little alien there. Bless you. Who is that? Who is it? I love you.